Hello, it's Gary Jordan with the Jordan Property Group and eXp Realty. Today I'm going to show you a virtual walkthrough of a quick move-in completed home in the prestigious gated community called Kiss on Camels in Colorado Springs. The home I'm going to show you is the Pinion Prairie model. It's on 3228 Virga Loop. The builder is a big, well-respected national builder, Toll Brothers. This is a one-story rancher, 2,969 square feet, almost 3,000 square feet. A finished basement, a partially finished basement. This home is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 3-car tandem garage, priced at $849. The basement includes a flex room and a powder bath. Landscaping is included. It's a great home. Let's take a look. Here's your deep 3-car tandem garage. Nice covered front porch. You first enter the home, you see a long, open, bright foyer. My immediate left is a full bath and a guest bedroom. Just past the bathroom is a flex room, ideal for your office. The French doors. Other side of the foyer is your door, access to your garage, and also a coat closet. Next to my left again is the laundry room. And your powder half bathroom. The family room, bright and open floor plan, really nice design, fireplace. Sliding doors to a nice large covered patio. The kitchen is pretty special. Very large island of quartz, 42-inch cabinets, bright colors. Got the gas range, vent to be installed. The stainless steel refrigerator will go right here. You got your oven, microwave, all to be ready for you. And the workers are working right now installing part of the pantry. Here's your eating area. Now the kitchen nook area. Once again, outside the door windows, bright. Got some nice mountain views. Very, very nice home. Off of the family room will flow access to your master bedroom. The 10-foot ceilings, lots of windows, really showing off the mountain views, including a view of Pikes Peak. And toward your master bathroom, you've got 2 walk-in closets, a his and a hers. The master bath includes a very, very large, nice shower, double vanities, private toilet room. It's a very nice home. This home is located in the Kiss on Camels gated community subdivision, one of the most exclusive, high-end subdivisions in all of El Paso County, in the Colorado Springs area. We'll go downstairs now into the partially finished basement. So we've got a large game room area. We've got down this hallway, we have a half bath. This area here is plumbed for an additional bathroom. Easily be made into another bedroom or 2. Could be a 4-bedroom. Wide for your sound systems. Lots of room for your family. Storage area. Got some of your HVAC, furnace, and so forth in here. A lot more room for more storage. Actually, could even be made into another bedroom here. A really nice home. Go back up now to the main level. We'll wrap up this tour. But the Kissing Camels gated community, like I said, overlooks the famous Garden of the Gods Park. Great views of Pikes Peak. Down 5 minutes from downtown Colorado Springs. Everything you could possibly want in Colorado mountain living is right here in the Kissing Camel subdivision. If you have any questions about this home, give me a call, 719-502-7176. Once again, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Get these kind of videos, information on a weekly basis. Thanks for looking.